Crystal Triggs, and I am on the second week of the TimeWise repair. I am an independent beauty consultant, and I was doing a review on the TimeWise repair. I will give you a close-up of how the scar looks now. I have been using the TimeWise repair for a week now, and just the TimeWise line for over a month now. So I'm very impressed, and I am going to keep using it, as you can see again. And also I have added to a color corrector from Mary Kay. That product looks like this, and it is a TimeWise even spot corrector. And again, I'll give you a close-up of that scarring. As you can see, it's way lighter than the week before. That's in the light, and this is a little bit right out of the light where you can see. And again, this is a review. Sorry about that, lights went out, leaving to another room, on TimeWise repair. You guys have a blessed day, and always remember, discover what you love. Bye! Till next week.